Of whose squares is 365. Okay, so consecutive positive integer, so let the first positive integer be x and the next integer be x plus 1. So x and x plus 1 are the consecutive positive integers. So what it is said that the square, the sum of the squares, that is x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is 365. So x square plus a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square is 365. So when we rearrange this, it will be 2x square plus 2x and it will take here minus 364 is 0. So as 2 is common everywhere, we can cut every 2 out. So x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. So hereby we understood that the product should be minus 182 and the sum should be 1. So which are the numbers? Just now last in the question number 3 we had a clue of that numbers, that is 14 and 13. 14 minus 13 will be 1 and 14 into minus 13 will be 182. So it will be x square plus 1 minute x square minus 13x plus 14x minus 182 is equal to 0. So x I am taking out, x minus 13 plus 14 I am taking out, x minus 13 is 0. So x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore x can be minus 14 or x can be 13. But negative we are not taking because it is already given as positive integer. So x is equal to 13 and the next integer is x plus 1. That is 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So which are the numbers? 13 and 14 are the consecutive positive integers. Next is question number 5. It is given that the altitude of a right angled triangle, it is given, it is 7 cm less than its base. So suppose base is x and altitude will be x minus 7 and the hypotenuse given as 13. So let base is equal to x. Therefore altitude it is given as x minus 7 and hypotenuse it given as 13. We have studied hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square by Pythagoras theorem. So what is that? X square plus x minus 7 the whole square is 13 square. So x square plus x square, a square minus 2ab plus b square is 169. So it will be 2x square minus 14x. When it come here minus 120 is equal to 0. Here also we can cut the 2 out. If we take 2 out now, 2 into some value is equal to 0. So when 2 is also going, 2 we can cut directly. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. By this we can clearly understand that 12 and 5 we can take. So x square minus x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 is equal to 0 into x plus 5 minus 12 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 into x minus 12 is 0. So x can be minus 5 and x can be 12, but x cannot be negative 5 as it is a length. So x is 12 is the correct answer. So the other two sides means x means the base it is 12 units. And what about length? Length will be, we said x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7, that is 5 units. And hypotenuse will be 13 units. So this is the conclusion of the question. Next, last question of the session, 6th one. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day, cost of the production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Okay, so we can assume, let us assume x be number of article. Okay, so we come to know that number into cost of one article, that will be the what? Total production or total cost, but already total cost is given here 90. So x we are assuming number into cost means what? Cost already x into cost. So what is the cost? Cost, they have said that cost will be twice the number and more than 3, that is 2x plus 3. So we can substitute 2x plus 3 will be 90. So multiply inward, so it will be 2x square plus 3x will be 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So the product should be minus 90 and sum should be 3. So we can split the numbers as 15 and 12 we can take. Okay, 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x if I am taking out, x minus 6 plus 15 if I am taking, x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then only 90 will come. So 2x plus 15 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. 2x is minus 15 and it is not possible as it is negative. X minus 6 is 0, therefore x can be 6. So x is the cost of one article. So x is the number. So number of article is equal to 6 and the cost will be what? 2x plus 3. That is 2 into 6. 12 plus 3, that is 15. So the cost of one article is 15 and the number of article is 6. So I hope everybody enjoyed the session. If you like the session, please click the bell icon, and if you feel like it is useful, please do share with everybody. In the 10th standard, by the next day we can discuss the solution of quadratic equation by completing the square method, and it is very relevant and important in terms of examination point of view, because in the examination they will be asking you to specify the method and you have to do. If you know splitting the middle term method, and if they are specifically asking you to do it by complete the square, if you do in that method also, you will not get any marks. So you have to specifically understand the different methods, then only it will be possible for you to do and attend the problems. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.